welcome back to my channel. I am back with another review and tutorial on LuvMe Hair's All Comfort Wig. Now if you watched my last video on LuvMe Hair's All Comfort Wig, I did pretty much the same wig, but this is a different color. LuvMe Hair, this is the box that it comes in. Let's unbox it together, open this right up. Okay, gonna take out all of this because we don't need, well, I use these, I put these back in, like I put my wig back in them after I'm done using them. You don't need that. This is the hair that I was sent. It's the same one as before. LuvMe Days, LuvMe Hair's All Day Comfort. It's just in black and it has platinum blonde highlights. I have two HD wig caps. I have on an HD wig cap right now, so I'm not gonna be using LuvMe Hair's wig cap. But in another video, I probably will use this. As you guys know, I don't wear wig caps as a method of protection. I use it just to keep my hair down, only because I don't wear my wigs for a long time. So I don't really need to wear wig caps like, you know, as far as like a ball cap method. I don't use it like that. I just kind of push it back to just make sure my hair is back. But it does come with wig caps if you need that. LuvMe Hair comes with a band. It looks just like this. It has like a really soft material right here. This is going to be placed on the back of your head, and this is to strap the wig on. This is all you're gonna need to wear for the all day comfort wig, is this right here. What's this? What is this? What is this, honey? It looks like it's like a bonnet, I think. A bag. Okay, I think it's a bonnet that you tie like this or something like that. So this is the lace. This is how the lace looks, guys. This is how the lace is looking. It has absolutely no clips in the wig at all. It has one large clip in the back. And it also comes with straps to adjust for your liking. You can put it on the first, the second, or the third. It's already on the second, which is perfect for me because that's the one that I use. I have the straps. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust to make it a little bit tighter like that. But when you put the straps on, you wanna make sure that this part is the part that goes on your head because it's the most comfortable part. So I put the straps on and now I'm going to put it on my head. And I need to look in my mirror because I know that the wig is too low. So this is how it looks. I didn't brush it out. I didn't do anything to it. This is how it comes out of the box. It looks just like this. Let's just adjust this, put this to the side a little bit more. I love it. I think it's really pretty. Even when you like, I'm just finger combing it right now. Even finger combing it, it's still really gorgeous. Like you really don't have to do too much. But as me, you know, as a stylist, I have to, you know, style it up and add products and stuff like that. But I feel like if you didn't want to, you can get away with wearing it like this because I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. You can't see any lace, like I don't see any lace. I probably would have to put this one down, put some lace spray right there. But other than that, this is how it looks before. Like, oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, I feel so glamorous. I love it, love it, love it. But no matter what, if I love it or not, I am a stylist and I have to style the wigs to my liking. So if you want to see that, keep watching. Some of these curls don't even look that bad. I won't really have to recurl them. Like, so the curls right here look really good. They look like they were pin curled up. Some of them on this side as well. Just the ones that I think look a little funny, I'll probably just recurl those. I'm gonna actually cut some layers in the front so that it's like big. It's not like just like down my face. I don't like hair in my face. It needs to be out of my face. So I'm probably just gonna, it's really not a lot I have to do with this one. This one is pretty curled, pretty good. The other one, I didn't really like it that much. But right now I'm gonna install it. I'm gonna be using my Lace Bond adhesive spray from Kiss. It looks like that. And I'm going to cut a little bit of the lace because a little bit of the lace is showing right here. As you can see, it's like, I don't know why. This little part just shows. It's like a little bit white. Even if I put lace spray on it, it's still like a white. So just cut that off and that's gone. So yeah, I'm just gonna add some of this lace spray and I'm going to hold it down with my band and then I'm going to style her. I'm still learning techniques of how to do hair. I'm fresh out of cosmetology school and I'm still learning curls and everything like that and layering, but I think I did a pretty good job with what I know.